This Belling Kensington dual fuel range cooker will become the heart of your home with a variety of useful functions that offer an outstanding cooking performance to create mouth-watering results. With 3 available ovens, including 2 fanned ovens, a conventional oven and grill, there's plenty of space and flexibility to cook different meals at the same time. Perfect for busy families, preparing dinner is easier than ever. The 4 kilowatt wok burner offers maximum heat that's perfect for making stir-fries or when you need a burst of intense, powerful heat. The storage compartment allows you to store trays, pots and pans for easy access. It's also a great way to stop your kitchen cupboards getting cluttered. Impress your dinner guests by creating delicious meals by using this state-of-the-art Belling Kensington dual fuel range cooker. Designed with a smart black finish, this appliance will complement any stylish kitchen.